our first DApp. You can see this is a normal HTML. Let me show you. This is a normal HTML, CSS, JavaScript, our calculator. I think I did this last year. So we are going to be converting this app to a DApp, to a tree app. And this is our eta.js, eta's local library. You will see the link to the source code where you can get this too for anyone. So let's start. Let's check our calculator. Also do something like 1 plus 2, 12, 3. So we'll be restricting the stuff that is only people that connect and have up to say can interact with our calculator. So let's start by working on the connect button. Let me increase this. Okay. Let's select our BTN. Let's get our connect wallet function. Event listing. Click. Let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, it's working. So let's get our library. Import DApps. Okay, we are getting our DApps from this our local library. Let's check detective, or you have MetaMask or any wallet in our browser. So let me first of all log it out so you can see type of window .aj. Is it not refreshing? Okay, I think this thing is having issues because we need add.js. Objects, as you can see. So if it's returning something like undefined, we'll have to know that there is nothing here. So we'll not run any functions for that. Just leave it at that. If it's now equals to undefined else, please download wallet. Okay, so after this condition, you know that if you are doing anything within this scope, we'll always get our window.html. Let's request for access. Oh wait, window.html. Let's request. Request method. Method 8 request account. Let's see. Refresh. It's working. So if you get, let me disconnect. Connected before. Disconnect. Now let's get our wallet address. And if you can see, if we go there to disconnect again, it's working. We are connecting. So let's connect. Now we'll be getting our provider. This will allow us to interact with the Ethereum blockchain through our wallet, our provider. This is what we are going to be using to get our address, then the balance. So let's get our provider. Providers .web3 provider window.html. I'll be using this to get our signer. We're going to be getting our signer, the wallet, the connected wallet that can sign transaction. It's from this place that we are going to be getting our address. Not get signer. Okay. I'll be getting our address. Getting our address. Get address. Let's check our address. Refresh. Okay, and we are getting our address. Let me log out this thing. Now let's get our address, our user address. Now let's get our balance. Equals to await provider dot get balance using our user address. This thing will be returning a big number that will have to convert to a normal number. Small format, it has JS format. I told you this is it. Let's comment out our clicked number. So this is the to say that is in our wallet. So this is working. Before we continue, let's go and get our first name, because most of you will be seeing something like 0. So test tokens. So we'll be using it to verify on our calculator DApp. Let's connect our MetaMask. You can see it's telling us that we are going to be getting to say, but this is test token. It's not like a real token. So let's just sign in. I'll give it our GitHub to verify that we are human. We can just request this in after 24 hours. So if I even request again, it won't work. So we'll be using this to say test tokens for as you can see. Yeah, but this test token, you just go here, you see say DevNet. So this is what we are going to be using in our calculator, the app. We'll be checking if we have up to 2 say. If we have up to 2 say, then you can be able to use our DApp. If you don't, then you have to go here, connect to GitHub and get the request. That's what we are going to be working on today. Like to say, if we check our wallets, we'll be seeing to say after we have used the first net. I'm going to drop the link to the first net in our description below. So okay, you can see it's giving us this. So we have to, this thing is giving us it in the smallest number. The reason it says in way, so you have to convert it, divide it, so it will be giving us, if it's 1 say, it's going to give us 1. If it's 0 point something, it's going to give us 0 point something. Let me refresh. Okay, it's giving us 2. So we are going to be checking if this is another check goes to false. So false if checking equals to balance is greater than or equals to 2. So if it's not equals greater than or equals to 2, it will be giving us something like false. If it is, it's going to be giving us true. Let's log it out. Refresh. True. So you increase it to 3. Let's check. Refresh. Connect wallet. False. So let's go back to 2. And if it is, then you can use our false. Or if it's not, then this stuff will not be working. Giving us 2. So in this place, I think if you guys just see my code well. as well. I'll be using an if statement. If I do this thing now, let me see. I don't think it's going to affect this. Oh, it's not like okay. Okay, it's now working. Sharp. So you can see with this we have converted our CAC to a DApp. Let's check if we can, after connecting, can extrude this stuff. If checking is true, then btn dot disable was true. Let's give it our final touch. Okay, it's not returning anything again here. Let's disconnect and check it again. This we have built our first DApp on Say blockchain. 11 plus 1 will give us 100 and so we have built our first DApp, working perfect. We just HTML, CSS. So